How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another video. So we missed a few videos the past few weeks, and that's because unfortunately COVID got the best of someone's household, and that was mine. So I was out for a few weeks, unfortunately, but thankfully I am all better now. It's been about 3 weeks, so that's why we haven't been uploading. So while I was stuck in my house for the past 3 weeks, I was spending a lot of time on YouTube, and I came across a few videos from Daniel Schiffer. If you don't know who he is, he does a lot of spec ads and client work as well for different types of like products and stuff like that. His stuff's amazing. We'll definitely link his channel down below. But give me an idea that maybe we should try this, give it a shot for ourselves. Considering we're trying to kind of recreate what Daniel Schiffer does in his product videos, considering this is our first time doing it, he does something whenever he wants to get any kind of like product or whatever the food product is to launch in the air. He had a good idea. Basically what he does is just gets like a plastic bag, puts them all in there, and kind of uses it as like a mini trampoline. So it's kind of what we want, because we don't want to use kind of like a piece of cardboard or something, because it's not centralized, like it'll just kind of go everywhere. But this way, when you do it this way, they kind of all just launch straight up. So that's exactly what we want. We're gonna give it a few attempts, hopefully it works. We gotta make sure we get it all in focus, so that's probably gonna be the hardest part.
Okay, so for this next part of the video, we saw this idea on Daniel's YouTube channel, on the one that he has the Philadelphia cheese, and then he swaps it with like the Philadelphia jalapeno cheese. So we're gonna basically be doing the same thing, but with the can crush, the one with the grape and the one with the orange. So we're just gonna switch really quick, so you can even see it. It's gonna be speed of light, velocity, quickly.
Alright guys, so thank you for watching everything, the behind the scenes, the spec ad, everything that we put together. We're back here after putting all the shots, and I think it turned out pretty good. There's obviously some things we can improve on. Hopefully Daniel sees the video and tells us. A wink, nudge. Yeah, so there's obviously things that we can improve on, but for it being our first time, honestly, I think it was pretty good.
Be sure to follow us on our Instagram. We're gonna be posting sneak peeks every Sunday before we upload.
Alright guys, that's everything from us. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, family, whoever it is. We're trying to get the channel out to more people, and that helps us a lot. So we really do appreciate it. We are back now, all things considered, with hopefully no more COVID. We are back to regular uploads every single Sunday. So we'll see you guys next Sunday, I guess. All right?
Stay tuned.
Peace.